What up, though? What it do, my baby? It's your girl, VK Dianne. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. We're on the road to 100 subscribers right now. We're just gonna keep going up, okay? I gotta be consistent, content coming out for y'all. So I was like, my friend was like, why you on vlog? So, I'm a vlog. Alright. Okay, we're gonna get it done. That's one thing about my friend. I'm gonna go to sleep during that appointment and I'm gonna bring the thick hair. But you know what? She's gonna get it done. You know that? She's gonna get it done. It hurting me, y'all. Okay, hey y'all, this is the finished product, and I will put like some clips before this.
Welcome back to the vlog. So right now we on our way to get an outfit for the function. It's an all pink affair, and you know the girls love it.
Who did the hair? Cause like this right here is like
me on the hair, me on both heads, like
both heads.
Like y'all not
tap in, like, tap in. I'm gonna put it right here,
and touch.
Yeah.
Don't play.
Hey y'all, so I'm trying to find some outfits. Maddie vlogging too, but we can't find nothing. Like, well, we can, but the theme is pink, so it's like, you know how when you go to the store, they got everything you're looking for when you're not looking for it, and then when you come and you want a specific color or like a specific style, then like they don't have it. So I got two options. It definitely eats, and I'm gonna show y'all whatever I pick. I'm gonna show y'all though. I ain't gonna show y'all my options right now, but I definitely I mean, it's just two simple things, but it's like one of them definitely eats better than the other one. So we gon'
Medicare, Medicaid, private insurance. Whatever the community needs, we're right here in the community. We are here
yeah, we're just trying to find something, y'all. Something quick, just quick outing.
One family at a time.
I mean, y'all, but I wouldn't be able to, like, this right here, the pointing on my nose, like, it's just too much. But my friend loved her some shades. God bless you, babe.
Thank you.
And then they got some hearts. Those are cute.
I don't think I'm getting shades because I don't like on my face. They just.
I'm in love with it.
These are big as fuck. I didn't even bring my Nike slides. I meant to, but I forgot.
Oh, you took your shade off. We over here trying on shades, y'all.
I'm trying to see.
Y'all, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just so gorgeous. She gorgeous. Damn, and I let you.
And you let me.
So y'all, we just stopped at the store.
Okay, so where we going?
We're gonna get some food.
Yeah, I don't want that.
So y'all, we got the juice. We finna go get some food right now. Y'all, I know I keep saying that, but my friend,
you ain't beat. We got that wet skirt. We got that kind of look. Y'all, I'm already big for tonight.
And she ain't.
I'm already big for tonight.
That's why we need some food in her system, cause
y'all know how I get.
Y'all know.
Y'all don't know, but y'all might know.
Ooh, it smells. You said add. They probably gonna make you do the 3 pieces instead of add.
Oh, y'all got a 3 pieces?
Yeah, it say 2, 3. I got you, baby. I know you my glasses,
y'all
baby.
Can't see.
I know, baby. Yeah, they got they got 2, 3, and 4. You know, one thing about it, I'm gonna have my girl back. If she can't see, I can see.
I want the lemonade and peach mix.
Lemonade and peach mix? That's the best.
1403.
Took a shot in the car. You know, had to turn it up. But we're gonna go back to the house, get dressed, chill. And we're gonna be back out. And we're gonna head to the party. We're back at the house. And it's busting. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, y'all gotta hurry up. But this is the fit. We're gonna show y'all later.
I'm trying to get my life together.
And I'm gonna check in with y'all when we get there. And I'm gonna show y'all my fit and stuff. You see it right now. So we are almost there. Almost. Party. Everyone, she said make up. We did.
It's really just starting. The ceiling is so cute.
It's so cute. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me show y'all.
So yeah, this is where we are.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. BK Dianne here, period. What up, though? It's your baby. That's so cute. The homemade drink.
Girl punch. This little
Girl punch.
Y'all, we were at fucking Kroger and we found a sugar daddy. It was so weird.
Okay, y'all, so I wanted to give y'all a little tour. This is so cute. Like, this is so cute. And then the light, I'm loving the light. Okay, so the theme is pink. So, I wish I would have had my other pink lace, because when I had these shoes for a minute, I ain't gonna lie. But I wish I could find my other lace, because like they gave you like 3 different laces, and I only kept up with once I mismatched it. That was it. And then one time I switched the pink out because I spilled something on it, and that was it. But if they both was pink, this would be very cute. This is cute though, y'all. I need to go get the rest of my tags. But yeah, you see it.
Yeah.
Take not look, take I do that. Don't keep it. I do not have that. You don't hear that.
Oh my god.
Girl.
Oh my god.
Bitch, I was holding on.
Oh god. Cause
We
what?
had to pick up a bottle and we.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Like, it's definitely giving a shot o'clock.
Okay, let's do it.
Shot o'clock.
Yes. Let's get a.
And just like that.
Just like that. Period.
Shot o'clock. Shot up.
The balcony right now because, you know, gotta get spiffy. It's
I would
okay.
have bought my folding chair.
I believe ya. But yeah, y'all, we sparking up. So, oh, what if I drop my phone?
Nancy,
Fancy, but I'm sorry. I'm getting when I'm fancy.
The vibe, this is so cute. Okay, y'all, so I got some fruit. So some more people can just came.
Yeah.
You should grab the shots first.
I just like I'm respectful, so I just gotta ask.
Everybody should have to take a shot with their shot glasses.
Do y'all mind it? So that's okay. What's her? Back. She's giving hers to Maddie. That is so cute. She said, "Oh yeah, this glass." Yeah.
I've only had an edible.
So y'all.
Yeah. I've been smoking all day.
She said, "Where are the glasses at?"
Are you serious? Okay. I think. I'm gonna take my shot one.
So y'all, I will show y'all the bag when I do get home. But right now we're just gonna have fun, okay? I'll check back with you a little later. Again, Maddie on my hair, y'all. The Maddie touch. Maddie be eating on these braids, y'all. I'm not gonna lie.
It wasn't outside. That's not what I thought. Tyler went to the wrong.
Y'all wears color.
Friend, what's your YouTube? I didn't BBS is getting caught in Minnesota. Watch her. Watch her. Lighter thing. Every time I
be thinking I could dance, bitch. I think I'm Beyonce.
Oh my God. You look at the videos in the morning. You're like, wait a minute.
I think I could dance and dance. I can't.
There's nothing wrong with the kids though. The fact that we don't have any is not a problem, but it's like that's something like
I just feel like I really
teen pregnancy is stuck on a lot of people.
What generational curses we breaking? Any generational curses?
And that's
definitely
the babies for me.
Yes.
Oh.
We have a baby. The emotional unavailability, like how can you just not be there?
Yeah.
And then like the emotional abuse, like parents don't really realize like the little slick shit they be saying, like you're weird for that.
Trying to let black
So
women
like I'm not doing my
accept
kids
every
like
single
that.
thing,
Like,
Yeah.
for the bare minimum is crazy.
Yeah.
Like they
It's
always,
insane.
we get the short end of the stick, baby. But no.
Yeah.
They don't work like that.
Yeah, no.
Oh, who has a lighter?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Big Dad, Big Dad. Y'all so cute. Real big one. Real big one. Yeah, real big one. You make a win.
Oh, I did.
Yeah, you gotta put from this side of the sink because she gotta light it and put it on top. Yes, that one. Okay, so probably like.
On one take.
You made that.
One time.
Like, y'all want
She stole my sauce. Like, who are you, man? Who are you? You a sauce gremlin. You a sauce gremlin, dude.
Hey, y'all.
Outside.
Just gotta make sure I show my feet, cause you know. And yeah, that's my homegirl right there. Yeah.
Yo, y'all.
And then my other homegirl right here.
These are my new friends.
Hi. I know that's right. And we just this is the beginning. When we come back, it's gonna be a little turn. But right now we just
Y'all already know how I get. Like, act like y'all know how I get, because y'all know how I
give us a minute. Hold the fuck up. And everybody chew and swallow their food before we get for real.
get. Yeah.
I'm just gonna say I'm gonna put everybody information in the description below. I'm gonna be the same way.
Can I stay on this? You using the fucking film though? Yes.
As I should.
Yeah.
Oh hi, we have a new faces.
Destiny gonna be the drunkest.
And my name is Drill. And I think that
Okay, period.
who's this go to?
My name is Kiara, and I think, I think Destiny gonna be the drunkest. I'm hoping Destiny gonna be the drunkest.
Yeah.
Yes, where are the shots for you? It is your birthday. I forgot about it. I completely forgot that you have enough shots.
Oh. You wanna do yours now? Do you think I'm gonna be drunk?
Our money, and I think Destiny gonna be drunk.
Yes, you should. Destiny, who you think I'm gonna be drunk?
My name is Destiny, and I think
Come on, cool.
Kari gonna be the drunkest.
Period. We're
Who
hoping.
drove?
I promise you.
Who drove?
She said honestly.
Who? She.
Honestly.
Kari was going to be the drunkest.
Oh, sorry.
So wait, how did it go?
I'm trying to figure it out.
Help me out.
So basically, there's the dice. When you roll the dice, and whatever color you pick, you pull the card.
The game, they can tell you what they say. Or take a shot. Or take a shot. Or take a shot.
She's an or take a shot.
Or take a shot. I'm gonna take that shot for one time. Because this is why.
I don't need to take a shot.
Everybody calm down. Hold on.
Hold on. What happened?
Roll the dice. The color is the card.
Green.
Okay, period.
Don't piss me off.
Oh God.
Give this card to whoever is the most artistic.
Okay, who do
Who
you
can draw? Who can paint? Who can?
Oh, I paint.
She asking the real question. Who can draw and paint? Get ass. Like, I want to see your work. Actually, I believe you. I believe you can paint and draw. Yes, I be painting.
Oh my God.
Yo. At least she told us beforehand.
I'm weak.
She's still talking about that bottle.
Why can't get like a okay? Put a tampon in your nose and allow others to store you. Like what?
You're not. Oh my
She
God.
don't look back like we were just talking about this shit on the balcony.
We was literally just talking about this shit.
I can take a shot. I'm a G. Let's go.
Yeah, shot o'clock.
I don't even like you. Put a tampon in your nose.
Put a tampon in your nose or allow others to store you. That's what happened.
First to mess up the card, loses.
The category is hairstyles. Are y'all ready? Y'all ready? The category is
What
hairstyles.
the fuck? Okay, you trying to really think about this shit. Half up, half down. Lock bob.
Go ahead, me now. Listen. Braids. Heart is a good tool.
Bust down middle part.
We have to be going right.
Why? You keep going until you. Yeah, you love. You go Taylor Ford.
Okay, it's your turn. Purple. Okay.
Keep this card if you've ever cried in public. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
It's okay though. It's okay. Yeah. It'll catch you. It will catch you. Like, yeah, I've had that moment. You ever been hacked? Eric, I ain't either.
Okay, who's been hacked?
Cash App on Insta.
Keep that card.
help that.
No, because I'm gonna wake up so bored.
We in love with her for real.
You on the camera is so cute.
Send me that girl.
You doing it? Okay, thank you.
You have.
It's giving like, damn.
Yes.
See what I
Yes. I like the dice. You gotta make it a little funky. They do.
Get the card to whoever is most likely to successfully break out of prison. Okay, who gonna break out of prison?
I think Destiny could break the fuck out of her prison.
Y'all didn't think so? I'm creative. I got them dig up that bitch.
Ice cream on your shirt. She's doing that.
That's cool.
She definitely ain't doing that.
Down the back, down the back.
Who this for? Everybody is who this for? That's my picture. We were fucking wrong. Who this for?
Let's talk becoming grown women. It's giving distraught.
Let's be for real.
It's giving we're being for real. It's giving us for real. Oh.
Yeah, let's do it.
It's giving who's ready, actually.
Actually, let's
Bring it. Oh, yeah. You know, we can't help it, though. We can't help it. Can't we? This is my baby bird. Subscribe.
This lash experience is I walked out that bitch and like one lash was like straight, one was up.
I can't get to the back.
Like literally one was straight, one was.
You mean like one eye?
I'm telling you, my lashes. Let's just talk about lashes. I got lashes on.
Yeah.
I'm saying one of these lashes was looking up.
Yeah.
One of them was going direct straight.
No,
Like,
I
literally.
hate that.
And I looked, they was my lashes were cousins. They were not sisters.
Oh my god.
They weren't giving twins. They were giving sisters. Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Oh my god.
That's her.
So I had cotton candy pink, right?
Uh-huh.
So I went and got my nails done. I had to get a refill. So he was like, okay, cotton candy, right? I was like, yeah. I was like, is this the color? He was like, yeah, you didn't tell me beforehand that we were out of cotton candy D&D. I was like, it hurts my thumb.
You know that burning part? It felt like
Yeah.
I was like, bro,
I do that.
they're supposed to,
You know they're supposed to stop when it starts burning.
Yeah.
When I say that.
I'm like, bro, be careful with this nail because
So, Kay asked me to do something and I don't remember what I'm supposed to be doing. So, I'm gonna wait on her to come out here so I can remember what I'm supposed to be doing. So cute because they made it. I seen them make it and it was just like the way they got it to the pink is so cute. It's so cute. Gotta play that sexy. One to 10, where are you, babe? 11. That's it. That's the end of the story.
baby, that was the best concert I've ever been to. I think people who didn't like it got the wrong concept of it. Like, it was definitely like that bitch like concert. And it was different from like the love songs.
Yeah.
Because of my dark community, he is not.
Yeah, how far y'all driving?
20 minutes.
Yeah.
Tonight was
I hope we can like hang out more.
Gotta see this.
Yes.
Okay.
It's hot. Yo, it's hot. That's all I'm saying. It's Maddie rushing me and she don't have her games. She rushing me and I just had to tell her, where your games at? You rushing me, where your games at, Maddie? Where your games at?
Everyone had a great night.
It was like, bro, I don't know, this ain't in your plans, but I might need you to plan. I might throw you a little something for me. But it was really nice. Nighttime. Okay, y'all, so we are pulling up to the house. And yeah, we got home safely. So
Yo, this bitch Vicky cannot drive.
don't lie on me, because if I let you drive, bitch, that's like letting a goddamn
bitch,
turkey
Vicky.
drive. You know what type of mishaps I'm talking about. We ain't have no mishaps.
10.
Someone fucking APD. You know I don't play with them no more.
10,
At home. And yeah. Yes, baby. Partied out. I'm partied out. I'm partied out. Okay, y'all. So we can go. I really had a good time. Like, I don't know. For me, meeting new people, it just be like, the vibes will be there. Like, the energy will be there. And, like, that's important. And I will say, like, you won't feel that with everybody. Like, the energy, you will know. Like, you gonna know if it's off. You gonna notice. So. But everybody was really cool. Like, everybody was really cool. I'm just glad that Destiny seemed like she enjoyed herself. I enjoyed myself. Maddie seemed like she enjoyed herself. Everybody just seemed like they enjoyed themselves and enjoyed each other's company and enjoyed each other's like presence. Like, even though we didn't, like, everybody knew everybody had their own relationship with each other. Let me say that. Everybody had their own relationship with each other. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm half asleep. I'm finna go back to sleep. We had a time last night. What's up, VK gang? So, I'm trying to scoop these down. Y'all know how I work. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So, yeah, a time was had. The time had to me. No, I'm saying. But yeah, y'all, it was really nice. I'm putting you down. Well, everything don't work for everybody, so don't hold me. But this right here, it has like, I want to say it has 3 parts in total, but I had like, like steps. Like, this one is hydrating. See, I'll rub it in like this. And I have a what you want to call it? Those, the circle things. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't exactly know what the name of them is. I don't know exactly what the name is. But I have one of those, and I just don't feel like going to dig for it. Most days I do use it, some days I don't. But I try and use this at day and night. Like, anytime I'm just dealing with my face. And it's crazy because, like, for one thing about me, I don't exactly break out, but my skin tone will definitely go from light to dark. Okay? I'll be dark skinned and nothing to my lovely dark skinned women. I love you guys. But I'm saying, like, what's right now? We in August, like, I'm a little light brown or whatever. Then it'd be like in a couple more months, my skin start breaking out. I just get like darker, like, and it's not like just dark spots. My face get darker. Like, you'll think I sat in the sun. it's like I don't know how to explain it. I probably sound crazy. But yeah, y'all, just go in a circular motion. Do not get it in your eye. Wash that off. Washcloth. And go ahead and wipe it off. You can let it sit a little longer if you would like. It all depends on how I'm feeling. Just for a good little cleanse. And then for like my eyebrows, to make sure I get all the little product of the face cleaning stuff out of my eyebrows, I like to scrub it, you know, just to make sure. You good, Matt? Yeah. Maddie I probably get on Maddie's nerves. Cause that's about it. I'll make sure my friends are straight. That's one thing and two things for sure. So you want to do one more rinse? And do that. And I'm trying to step up my face care game. Like my skincare and face care, like I definitely just want to, like, I feel like it's better products that I can get and use. So I'm just going to start getting them. But I be scared because some products do not help people. Like it make it worse. Like you go to the store, go buy this, and you use it like a week later. Yo, you don't even look the same. And it just, when I say don't look the same, I mean like that product, like certain stuff really breaks you out. So definitely recommend like reading the back, reading what's in it, the ingredients. Those are very important. People don't really seem to look at that for whatever reason. For whatever reason. One thing I don't recommend is, and yeah, it's nothing, but we get some out, okay? I use every bit of the product, and then I open a new one. I don't care. I ain't got no shame in my game. So, we're just gonna put a little bit of mousse on the edges. I typically do not like putting product on. You really shouldn't. It's not about what I like. You really should not. When I say product, I mean like edge control or whatever you want to use for your edges, because everybody uses different stuff. But, and shoot, probably with the moves. Shoot, I probably shouldn't even be doing this. But one thing, like when I want to touch them up, like just, you know. Just when I want to touch them up. So, what am I cooking today? I'm going to make some potatoes. And I'll insert some clips that I will be cooking. I'll be on TikTok and look in the description box so you can follow all my social medias. But I cook a lot. I love cooking. So I'll be trying to cook and I post it on TikTok. So I'm gonna insert some clips so y'all can see it. But yeah, I'm gonna cook some chicken wings, some potatoes. When I do potatoes, I cut them up. Like, you know how people like them in the breakfast, for breakfast or lunch? I cut them up, little squares and stuff like that. Cut me up an onion, bell pepper, and how much bell pepper you want. But you know, like the fajita mix, when you go somewhere to fajita, that's what I like. Like, I really could eat some sauteed peppers and onions by themselves. Like, just season them real good, and I'm eating that. Like, that's it. But I put those in my potatoes. So chicken wings, potatoes with the bell peppers and onions with some corn. Yeah. Go ahead and make some lunch. And yeah, I just want to get on here, just a little get ready with me. Not even going nowhere. I'm just had to get myself together, you know. But last night was so fun. Like, I'm back to last night. Last night was so fun. Like, boom, put this on. Last night was wonderful. Again, happy birthday, Destiny. You were very beautiful. Your soul seemed beautiful. Like, you just seem like a very overall just cool person. And the people that you have around you, I see you have a lot of love around you, a lot of support. Like, I love that for you. And we have to stick together on stuff like that. Like, you don't find that a lot. So I'm just proud of you, and I hope you enjoyed your birthday. And we'll keep enjoying it because your birthday weekend, you know. Hey guys, so I am at the house now. I am at Kroger and I'm trying to find, excuse me. I'm trying to find, excuse me, sorry, excuse me. I'm trying to find these peanuts. So I'm really just doing a little Sunday reset, getting my week together. Just have a lot to do. Like, I just feel like it's not even that I'm behind. I just feel like I don't know, I ain't able to do with it. Like, I just can't do it for nothing. Like, I just keep getting setback after setback after setback, like setback after setback after setback. And it's not even funny at this point. Like, it's really devastating. So I'm in the kitchen. And I'm about to clean this chicken. I got all the potatoes boiling. And then, So I am about to go ahead and I need to open that other one if I need to. Go ahead and start, getting my stuff ready. Prep, season it. I like to marinate my chicken. Well, my food here. I like to marinate my food. Just a little bit. At least a little bit. Just a little bit. It just helps. It get that. So yeah, let me finish doing that, and this is my little list on the refrigerator because I need to keep up with that. I write it in my notes too, but I just take a picture of it before I leave the house. And it's on the refrigerator. You can't forget it's on the refrigerator because you going to that refrigerator. You probably finna go right now. Go ahead. But yeah, that's on the refrigerator. Let me go ahead and start because I've been doing this. But I think I can get used to picking up the camera. I definitely am trying to get used to picking up the camera because it's not new for me. And what it is, because I love photos and videos and all of that, but like just literally I gotta be like content. Be consistent. Okay? And don't mind me watering the water because your auntie do it, your mama do it, and granny do it. Okay? That running water, you gotta run. The water in the background, it's like soup. I don't know what it is, but hearing that water on, once that switch go out, you go ahead, click that faucet on. You just doing stuff. You hear it running, don't even care. But okay, let me go ahead and start. I keep saying it. Let me go ahead and start. All I can say is we all quiet, ain't we? We all quiet. Since we made our plate. Text me or call me when you get home. I know you just ate good, so you probably gonna forget and go to sleep. Love you! Alright guys, I'm back and I just got done eating. I'm nice and full. I feel very good. I don't know what it is, but every time, and even my household, saying I'm throwing down even better. So I love that for myself because that's something that I, you get better at. You just certain stuff, But like the bag period. So first we have the Pearl Mask Sheet Relaxing Care, and then we have 2 lip masks. And they're pink, of course. Cute. They're cute. I definitely love these. I see these at Target, Walmart, really anywhere, but I know the best ones. Like a lot of people say Target has some good ones. But this right here is something that I need, especially when I do like wash my face and do my skincare routines, because usually I just keep my skirt on and keep it peachy. But this is cute. That's cute. And then we do have a lollipop and some lip gloss. And I love that. So I just wanted to show you guys what I did get. She has some gift bags. Guys, so I did want to go ahead and come on here and close this vlog out. I will definitely be posting and dropping more content. Everyone, hopefully I can get everyone's socials by the time I do want to decide to go ahead and drop this video on YouTube. Have everybody's socials. I can put them in the description below. And again, happy birthday to the birthday girl Destiny. Again, I enjoy myself. Like I said, I will be dropping more content. We moving slow, but we moving gradually. Do you understand me? Slow motion is better than no motion, and that's the end of it. That's my motto. Go ahead and follow all my socials down below in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was nice doing it. I love vlogging. Like, it's something that I already been wanting to do, and I'm just really pushing myself to do it now. And like pushing myself to do it more. Dinner was delicious, and yeah. I had already done my laundry, so that's why y'all didn't see me do laundry. I had already did laundry probably like 2 days ago. So but I did want to go ahead and show like my Sunday dinner and my Sunday little reset. Just a little bit. And more videos dropping soon. Peace. VK gang.